Hi everyone, Ken from SIGA here, and today we're going to be talking about pre-stripping your top plate. So why would we want to pre-strip a top plate? Well, let's imagine that you're dropping in your roof trusses and you want to maintain continuity of your air barrier from your exterior to your interior, and you look up and now you have 500 rafter tails to tape around. Great for us, not for you. We want to make that simple. We want to go ahead and get a piece of our membrane up and over the top of the wall before you set your roof trusses on, and that's going to make sequencing that transition so much easier. So for this detail today, we can either use the Majvest 200 or the Majvest 500 SA. Today, we're going to be using the Majvest 500 SA, which is our self-adhered membrane. With a self-adhered membrane, we're actually going to leave the backing paper on when we place it on the top plate. This allows us to take our next layer, put it under there for proper shingling, peel it, stick it, and move on. The first step of a great install is to measure out your top plate and cut your Majvest 500 SA to the proper length. To make your life easy so you don't have to cut tiny sections off a big roll, both our Majvest 200 and our Majvest 500 SA come in an 18-inch detail roll. So now that we have our membrane cut to length, we're going to mount that to the top plate, making sure to leave 4 inches out and 4 inches in so that we can tie our interior and exterior barriers together. And we're going to fasten that with staples. So now that we've got our top plate pre-stripped and our trusses dropped on, all that's left to do is to tie everything in together. We're going to go ahead and peel off the backing strip on the exterior, tape it down to your exterior membrane, peel off the backing strip on the interior, and place your interior membrane up against it. And we are done. If you happen to find a more complex detail than that on your project, reach out to your local SIGA representative and they'll be sure to help you out.